Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got two McLaren Speedtail. Both of these castings are by Hotwheels, and one of them is from Mainline, the other one is from Silver Series. There are definitely a lot of similarities, as you can see on screen, and then there are a few things which are obviously different, being them from different lines. We're gonna just have a, I would say, a quick look at all of them and see what are the differences, what are the common stuff, and then we will also, I guess, talk about which one I prefer. So let's deep dive into the details. So the silver one is the Mainline, the blue one is the Silver Series. It came out recently. I have a full video of this one on the channel. If you want to watch, you can go there. But here we are just comparing two of these. So similarities, they basically share the same top hat, we'll say, the top shell and everything. They have the same base, so you won't see any difference. Same plastic base, no metal or anything. The rear details are very close to each other. You can see both of them have painted tail lamps and McLaren badges in the back. From the front, this is where the difference starts. So the Mainline, this one which you see here, doesn't have any major details. Like, you won't see any painted details or anything. It does have the McLaren badge. Apart from that, there is no detail. On the Silver Series, you actually get some details for headlamp, as you can see. So there are some details here. Obviously the color is different, that's one of the difference. So no headlamp details there, some headlamp details on this one. Top again looks almost identical, as you can see. Same kind of finishes here, no mirrors on either one, so it's similar. One of the major differences that I could see is on the wheels. So if we look at the side, everything else is similar apart from the wheels. And Silver Series is obviously slightly, I would say, more detailed and priced in between premiums and Mainline, so they're supposed to have better paint, which you can see. The finish looks better on this one. Wheels obviously look better. Now, something that I didn't like about the Silver Series, obviously I like the details on the front, but if you look at this wheel setup on the Mainline, it's different. The front one has a different wheel, the rear one has a different wheel, and there is a reason for that, and I will drop a picture somewhere on this, like on the top or somewhere in this video, so you can see that the actual Speedtail has different set of wheels. The front one on the Mainline is much closer to what you see on the actual car, whereas on the Silver Series it's the same front and rear wheel. So I would have thought that they would do a better job in Silver Series compared to Mainline. I think this is one of those cars where I will prefer at least Mainline wheels, even on Silver Series, or at least the front wheel should have been the same as the Mainline one. Apart from that, truly speaking, I don't see the value in buying this Silver Series. It doesn't offer a lot compared to a Mainline. Like some Silver Series, they do like a much better job, so getting that is way better. But this one, I'm not sold on this one. That's what I'm saying. So if I have to, I will let go of the headlamp details and prefer this one because of the wheel accuracy. It has details on the rear, and I'm not spending twice the price. So that's my take. I don't know, you can feel different, but that's how I feel. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more comparison reviews you want to see, just drop a comment. I will try to find those cars and compare Silver Series, Mainline, premiums, if they're available. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.